Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use TV Guide on your Philips PFS 6939 TV. So, in order to enter the TV Guide, you can either press the button in the top left corner of your D-pad on the remote control, or instead you can select the TV Guide icon on the top bar of your home screen. Here you'll be able to navigate between channels on this list on the left side. And for each channel you'll be able which shows or which movies will be played at which time. You can use left and right D-pad keys to navigate between different hours basically, or minutes, or basically shows. And if you want to switch between days, use channel plus to switch to the next day, or channel minus to switch to the previous one. And selecting any title on in this menu will basically just switch you to this channel, and you'll see what's currently being streamed on it. And that's basically how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.